All right. So I was I saw a video. I saw a video, and it was by this guy called you know what? Never mind. I don't know how to say his name, but I can pull up this thing right here. Right? It's called Sallybot. Right? I was like, "Oh yeah, that's cool." And then I looked at the language it was coded in, and it's C sharp. That's okay. That is okay. That's fine. That's fine. You know what? The AI processor runs like 20 times faster, but I do not like C sharp. Right? I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Right? I don't like it. So, what I will be doing also, it relies on a Python backend, which mine will too, but the thing is I haven't looked at any of this code, so I have no clue how it functions. The thing is it relies on the Ooga Booga, right? That's what I call it, the Ooga Booga. And the Ooga Booga, cringe. Mm-mm. Uh-uh. Right? It Ooga Booga. Mm-mm. See? Using Ooga Booga. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Nope. I think it actually might be called Ooga Booga. Um, I, I, I think it might actually be called Ooga Booga. That's, oh my god. Oh, I got this. Hold on. You know what? Doesn't matter. It's, oh, wait. We just had the, how to pronounce Ooga Booga. Alright, let's see.
Oagabuga.
Owaga Booga. Alright, whatever. Mine, however, will, something else. That's all I know. Right? I, I don't know what it's gonna do yet. I've gotten a request from one of my friends to make this already, and I was like, oh, okay, cool. I'll eventually do that. And then I never got around to making it. Anyways, so now we will be actually making it. Again, no license because, now it's relatively so simple to make an AI. Just so simple. Now I'm gonna be doing it without Ooga Booga because I think if anybody uses Ooga Booga, you are stupid. Um, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I have to be the one to tell you that, but that's just what I feel. We will be using Python and Node.js because Python sucks, but Python is the only good language to do AI or any type of AI in for whatever reason. Why? I don't know. Oh my god. Um, why? I don't know. But welcome. Just welcome. That's how these kind of things work. So, we will be using the following packages for our Discord. We will be using probably Socket.io. We will be using Express. Again, the Socket.io and Express are only for our backend stuff, and we're going to be using my own custom database because it's just what I'm familiar in. Burger database. I think it's that. I don't know. We'll see. And then we'll also be using my custom Eries client because I said so. Again, why? I'm not really sure. Again, just what I feel comfortable with. Oh my god. You can self-update, bro. What do you... Like, the whole point of using this is that it can self-update. I'm... Oh my... You know what? Doesn't matter. Whatever. Um, okay, so that already got... I don't understand what this is for. It's something to do with all this integrity stuff, but I don't like it, but I'm going to keep it there. Keep in mind that this Discord bot's going to be awful. That's my whole intention with it, actually. Now, I have a nice little thing. It's called Socket Import. It's just a default Socket.io and an Express thing, and that makes an HTTP server. Links the Express to use the HTTP server, and then attaches the Socket.io to the HTTP server, which is attached to the Express server. And the reason why is because, well, Socket.io is a web client, and I and ex, yeah, yeah. Express isn't really needed here. I could probably do without it, but I don't know how to use HTTP raw, so, haha, yeah. So again, this is pretty simple, and this just goes in our index right here. I might actually make everything in the web.js. I'm not really sure yet, so I might not need this module imports. Anyways, does not matter. Let's get started. So we're gonna import Eries here. My spelling is wonderful, as you can tell, and we're gonna do const. Oh my God! Also, ignore. Okay, hold on. We got like everything going off right now. I gotta disable tab 9. This is the crappiest AI thing, by the way, right here. The crappiest AI thing. It's like, oh my God, it's awful. It's still going. All right, so const bot equal here. We're actually gonna do it how you're supposed to do it, which is new client, new Eries dot client. Yeah, we could also provide our own kind of thing. We're going to be using all intents now. Making a Discord bot, very simple, very simple, very simple. Trust. Now let's hope this isn't on my alt account. That's not that's on the alt account. Half of those accounts got banned due to the purge. Thank you, Discord. Thank you. We all love your platform. Alright, anyways. AI Discord, AI, we're gonna name it Airplane Gober AI bot. Yeah. We're gonna put it under the Mega team because why not? Manga team, whatever. My God, thank you so much, Steam. Alright, now we're gonna go to bot, and for whatever reason, it doesn't give you the token by default, so you gotta go to your phone, go to Authenticator, go yes, do it. Then you gotta go, ooh. You know, the day that people figure out how to, reverse engineer those tokens, everything is going to end. The entire world will end as we know it. I will reset my two-factor authentication after this video, just in case. That's a joke. I actually won't because I'm lazy. We're going to be using all intents right here. Unlike Discord.js, it's not stupid, and every single update doesn't have a breaking change where you need to go back and update your entire bot. Anyways, moving on. Yeah, I really do not like Discord.js. I really hate Discord.js. And do not even get me started on the Oceanic bot. Number one, I do not like the developer of the Oceanic bot. The owner of the Oceanic bot is a dick. So, yeah. Thank you. Just online. Ugh, it needs to be an object. Which is whatever. Name baller. Alright. Yeah, we're gonna do slash commands because I said so, and why not? So slash commands again, very easy. I do not know what that function is. That's not a function that exists, but whatever. Bot dot create applicate. Nope. Dot application at. Oh my God. All right. Looks like we're going to Eries docs. Nope, not the moon. It's not the moon, guys. It's the goddess of Discord. I got very, very corrected in the Eries Discord about that. Thank you so much, developers. Dicks. It's in the client. I know it's in the client. Oh my God. Is it create? It's create application, isn't it? Command? Is it create command? I don't think it's create command. Is it create command? Oh yeah, it's create command. Hee. Whoopsies. Not commands, it's command. And then you provided an object which contains a name which needs to be lowercase. We're gonna do image. I haven't actually thought out how to do it, and no, I've never done actually a text-based AI before, so I might go through that guy's repo and see how he does it, because I have no original ideas. And then type, oh my God, application command types dot I'm gonna say it's a chat input. Yeah. And then we need an options one, and then this is actually an array. He, ha ha ha. With no, not that. Thank you so much. With the name of prompt. Oh my God, look at that! Wow. Description. Details about what you want, and then this will be. Again, I'll use dot constant dot application option types, I think. Dot string. Yeah, look at that. And now I think that's it. Right. There's just choices required and autocomplete. This is actually going to be required true. We could also set like a negative prompt, a steps count, but we're not going to do any of that. So yeah. So again, we're just going to do that, and then bot dot. Oops, not dot. Bot dot on. What's the function called, dude? Oh, interaction create. Right. So we get the I love trying to read this. It's truly incredible. But we get the interaction and we get nothing else. All right, great. Thank you so much. So now, if interaction, we only want to make sure we're getting the correct interaction. And if interaction dot type equal oh my God, interaction type equal Eries constants dot application command types dot chat input, maybe. Let me refer to Megabot because yeah, my Megabot is so cool, guys. Updated 2 days ago, hasn't been updated since. Yeah, it's a bitch to work on this bot, by the way. Especially when everything is in like one place. It's truly such an innovative experience, honestly. Also, my friend, right, who knows nothing about coding, has never coded once in his life, right? He shits on me for copying my own code. What, bro? Ay ay ay. People. Okay, so that's actually not the right event. Hee. I meant to go to Insurrection. Great, this one. If interaction instance of Ares command. Alright, my bad, everybody. That should work fine. And you know what? You know what we're gonna do? Watch this. We're gonna hard code this. You wanna know why? Because I said so. Are we gonna use a switch statement? We're gonna use we're gonna use an else if statement because those look nicer. And then you could also pick up public commands if they're not caught or something. Maybe, I don't know. Whatever. Okay. Else we're just gonna say what the hell. Duration.create message. What? Yeah. All right. That's a great solution. Hi. All right. Now we're gonna do just bot.connect. All right. And now what we're gonna do? We're gonna go here. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go to URL. We're gonna click bot. They switched this around like every other month, so you gotta be careful, right? The bot button used to be here, and the application read command used to be here, but now it's switched around. Why? Why? Why not? Why not switch it around every other freaking day? Like, oh, you wanted consistency? I'm sorry you wanted consistency. Sorry about that, by the way. I'm like clicking on every hold on, hold on, guys. I gotta make sure my Discord's not like awful. My Discord was awful. Thank God I checked. All right. All right, don't worry about this emo ass bot. All right. What? Bot testing. Yeah, 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 yeah. Awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sure. All right, awesome. You're here. So now, if I just do node dot, wouldn't that be embarrassing if the bot crashed for the first time? Disallowed intents specified. Okay. So this is why you call Eries directly. Options. Yeah. Bro, I know I'm not stupid. I don't even think we need intents. Yeah, whatever. Oh, you know what? You know what the problem is? Tee. My bad. There we go. Now if it doesn't work, now I will have no clue. By the way, this is just for the don't worry. Oh my god, what the heck is going on? Holy, talk about what? Oh my. Okay, image, baller. Alright, now, I'm gonna have to actually end the video here. I'm joking. For the actual AI, we're gonna have to not, like, show off the, actual images it produces, especially with the model that I will be using, because the model I will be using, it really likes NSFW. That's all I can say. So, fr from import. We need like all sorts of image pipeline crap. So you know what I'm gonna do? Instead of doing that, I'm gonna go right. I'm gonna copy my code. Scale's gonna want to kill me after this video, but don't care. We're gonna go. Not that. This right here. This crappy thing right here. Um. 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 Is AI gen v1. We go to ai.py and we just take this right here and if anybody asks any questions and we just stab them. That's a joke. Image to image. Wait, what? Which one is this image to image? Is it this one? Might just be that one.
Oh yeah, it's just that one. Oopsie, I don't need all these other imports.
Unless we start doing like what is it called? The other thing, the other. Yeah. Now, so again, close your eyes and just yeah, keep them closed, keep them closed, keep them closed, just keep them closed. All right, you can look now. I need to remove these ones and then model. We don't have a model yet, but again, this might be provided by the actual Discord bot depending on what I do. I'm not really sure yet. That's 50-50 kind of right now. And you can read this comment right here. If you need me to zoom in a little bit, I can zoom in for a little bit right there. As you can see, read it right there. Yeah, so you just disable the safety checker with this single line. That's pretty cool. That is pretty progress if you ask me. Yeah, we actually go here. Uh, did I hard code the, Oh, yes, I did. Thank you so much. Oh, there goes that webhook. God damn it. No one's gonna make it this far. If someone makes it this far in the video, then they could just go ham on that webhook, actually. Alright, but these are our available options. I'm actually going to put this in the Python code. That way we have it for reference later, even though I plan to never actually use this. Yeah, so much fun, right? Yeah, and then, you know, it's going to be like,
Python rule number 1496 says this variable's on.
like, fucking stupid. As I was saying, I did all sorts of bad. I'm sorry. But you guys can look at those banned IPs. I don't mind, because they did bad things. Why is 55% of this HTML? It just showed me. There's a single HTML file in this whole thing. I guarantee it. There's like 2 HTML files. It's like 55% actually. It's like, bruh. Alright, and we will actually be using Socket.io, which I have never used in Python before. So, yay! Okay, that, what's the difference? What should I use async? You know what? This is how we fight. We're asking an AI to ask. Yeah. Oh my god, what the hell does synchronous mean? Oh my god. On the other hand, if you're building a simpler application that does not require the complex. Oh my god. Alright, synchronous. I don't know. Alright, it's this one then. Ooh, wrong folder. Doesn't really install because I'm not even selecting a Python environment, so it really does not matter. What do you mean? Is this one like that? What is the difference? Should I be using this one or should I use this one? Async def. Oh. Oh, but these are not. Man, I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna just use this one. I never used this stupid thing. Oh my god. Wait, oh, I have to. Oh. Oh, yeah, I want to use the other client actually. Oh, I am. Okay. I'm not using the async client. Oh my god, everything is going off, isn't it? It's like, you got a text message from Reddit. Everybody look, look, look. And I'm gonna actually keep that. I'm gonna actually keep that because, yeah. Oof. Admitting advance, we will never need to do this. Oh, except for a file uploading. Alright, hehe, we actually do. Alright, so, how are we gonna do this? You might ask. Simple. You shut up and stop asking questions. That is how. Now, again, you're gonna have to close your eyes if your name starts with and ends in L. So, don't tell him. Don't. Shh. 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 Don't tell him. Don't tell him. Just, we can keep this on the DL, alright? He doesn't have to know, alright? He doesn't. Shh. 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 Don't tell him. Don't tell him. Shh. 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 Don't tell. Don't. Shh. Shh. Just don't tell him. Don't tell him. He doesn't need to know, guys. All right. Doesn't need to know. Doesn't need to know. Okay, we're gonna have to copy one more line. One more line. Just shh. All right. We actually have to copy quite a few bits of line because I don't feel like actually redoing this. Oh my god. All right. See, we're done. We're done. We're done. Just like that. Oh my god, how do you import bytes.io? Come here. Oh, it's from an IO module, my bad. Yeah, I don't like this language. It's like tabs. Tabs? Are you kidding me? Dude. What is this? There's no. Where's my brackets? Where's my bracket? I hate this language. Like, yeah, sure, it might be nice once in a while, but I don't know how someone could use this full time. Full. What? You monster. Alright, moving on. You know what? I'm gonna actually leave all these variables in. And we're just gonna. Oh my god. If I could. Oh my god. Dude, look at this. Or. And guess what? This TI2 function, it checks it again. Alright. Oh my god. Dude. Bruh. You know, you could actually use the multi-line cursor. Anyways, moving on. Oh my god, I don't know what did I do? Alright, so the progress function, we could just kinda oof. Alright, and then everything else is fine. And then this just or. Again, the output gets piped there, and then this is actually not formatted right. See, this is why Python is a stupid language, and that nobody should be using it, but here we are. You know, all you need is a good IED, and it auto-formats it for you. Well, then you're just simply proving my point even more. It's a stupid language. Oh my god. To match the regular expression. Fine. You do it. If you want to correct my code, you could do it. Alright? Oh my god. Dude, if minor. It better. What do you mean? This is I'm before I have a panic attack and break down and start beating someone. This is not how you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to have the word and then the next word capital. The first word is always lowercase. My god. Everything hurts. These people are stupid, and I don't even want to begin to know. Why are we sneaking 0 in the image? You know what? Doesn't matter. I do not care. So data dot prompt or error. I don't actually know if this or actually like checks if data dot prompt is a thing or not, but and then data dot job ID. Now, if we don't provide it a job ID, we are all doomed. Also, you're not supposed to be doing that. You're supposed to do it like this because welcome to Python. Do 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 do. Thank God I remembered that, or that would have been like 40 hours of debugging right there. Also, fun fact of the day, this is now a tuple. I spent hours trying to figure out why a variable was called a tuple. It was because I had a goddamn I had a comma, and it was making it a tuple. It's just so stupid. So stupid. I hate this language. Now it's gonna. Oh my god. Okay, moving on. I will admit upload because I'm lazy, and then upload. Upload. Image. That. Job ID. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that works. We should actually just be calling it from here, but whatever. I don't really care, if I'm being honest. All right, and that's that. I'm not even joking you. That's it. That's it. It's 64 lines to make a basic stupid one type thing, and that's not even because minus all these lines. So yeah, you could probably make this in like all one line or three lines maybe. It's pretty simple. Okay, moving on. Oh my god. Somebody is going to So now we just have to join this all together, and we're done. I'm not even joking. I wish I was. I'm not. I'm dead serious. I did not mean to wait, what? Oh my god. Alright, and just below this bot connect, we're gonna import this thing, because I don't feel like making this all too... I don't care, honestly. I'm gonna be for real. I do not care. Yeah. This is not my problem. You know what will be my problem, though? Figuring out the job system, because currently Python, you know what? It's 50 steps, and I have a, GTX whatever, and it'll be fine. I guarantee it. And my sock is... You know what that sound is? It's the sound of my sock ripping. Sock. I got the socks from Ohio, bro. There's like 3 broken socks at the foot of my table. How long have I been recording? 31 minutes! Wow, I'm effective. Oh my. Okay, so I don't know if this will wait for the next job to be... I has job. We should probably make this say, like, return a function or do something. But I don't care, so... Yeah. Maybe we should make it so this fires, like, a grab job function, and then on the back end, we're just like, oh, here you go, here's a job, here you go, here you go, here you go. Again, I don't plan to actually, like, distribute this, so it doesn't, like, speed and space don't matter at all. I legit just plan to temporarily save all the files to my drive and then upload them to Discord. I don't plan to, like, save everything. So, yeah. So now here's where the database is going to come in handy. So we're going to do const db builder. Now this is the thing I expect the least amount of people to really know about. If you know about this, then oh my god, I don't know how. You shouldn't, but that's really cool of you to have used something I've made, but I severely doubt it, if I'm being for real. Oh, DB class is so much better naming than just... Okay. Oops. Alright, so now what we do is we simply say... now I'm going to be lazy right here and just install UUID because I'm just going to... Yeah. I don't actually know how to use the module UUID. It might be called something else, but whatever. There's a V5 now? You gotta be kidding me. We're gonna use V4. Alright, so, oof. Oh. You know why he doesn't use interactions? Is because with interactions, you have to instantly respond, or else Discord's gonna go, well, I don't see no one here no more. Bye-bye. And it'll just kind of... So, I wonder if there's, like, a way... No, that wouldn't work. Because, like... I'm trying to figure out the response, because my AI image generator is going to take more time than I have seconds to reply. So, maybe I just say interaction.reply message, and we're going to send it a content, creating image. Also, we have to actually get the interaction objects, which I'm not going to be doing that because I've already done it and I don't feel like rewriting a function for like the 40th time. So yeah. I gotta go to the utils folder because the utils has useful stuff in it. I'd hope you've understand that. Also, I could have just, yeah, okay, whatever. Okay, so now import out, yeah, sure, whatever. We're gonna stake this. We might actually just shove this function in here somewhere. Yep, right here seems good. Yep, that's fine. No, I have no clue what the input for this is supposed to be. And yes, I will continue using var till the day I die. Dude, where is it used? I don't know. Not there either. Both of those codes are horrible. Interact. Okay. Now we're just gonna go down here. Cons C equals options Fraser, and then we feed it this, and we do await because what if it's buried, and then we need to make it asynchronous. I don't know what just happened. All right. Now we say const id equals v4. I think we just legit call this function and it'll just, yeah. So now we have an ID. Now we just do db dot push jobs job ID ID oh yeah, we need a prompt for, and then c dot prompt. Yeah, that should work. So again, this is just simply saving, or oops, I need to await. By the way, for my database, you don't actually need to create the database. I swear, I'm gonna bite my tongue and be like, oops, actually, raises glasses. Yeah, I'm gonna mess up. All right, watch this genius code right here. Boom! Don't you love to see it? 3 in a row. Oh my God! No way, bro. Look at that. Yeah. So to make ID. This ID is gonna be pretty much useless as we're not saving it, but it's just for internal use. Yeah. So now we're actually gonna make this admit events every like 20 seconds or whatever. So let me go here. Well, def on message or create. All right, and then we're gonna go here. Well, true. Oh, right. This is the like one of the only languages in existence where you have to capitalize the T in true, and false in false. Yay! Oh my God! Wait, event callback. Oh no! Wait, oh, great. No, no, no. Idea. I use. Okay, hold on. I go back. I say admit. Right. Get job. Or no, send job. Okay, so now we're gonna have a flag. We're gonna say is doing job equal false by default. Right now, if not is doing job. If we're not doing a job, then we're just gonna blast the server. We're gonna say, send me a job right now, and then we're gonna wait if we get a response. We're gonna say, wait, and yeah, and is doing job equal true. Remember to capitalize your T's. And then we also need a sit. How do you sleep in Python? Look, you just do set timeout. Oh, you don't need to do all this. Sleep. Is it called wait? Okay, give me a minute. This isn't simple, apparently. Time.sleep. Oh my God. 50th import, guys. Everybody look. Time.sleep 1. All right. So this will just constantly bombard the server and ask send job, send job, send job, send job, send. It'll keep bugging the server until it gets a job, and it's like, it'll be like the Mr. Beast guy. Mr. Beast, you know? Hold on, I got this. This one because it looks nicer. No, oh, wait, ooh. Oh, yeah, so I need to switch this stuff. Job request. Request, is that good? Does that tickle me, I guess? Yeah, that's fine. Alright, now, in our index right here, we'll go to the I.O. Now, on the socket dot on, send job. Now, we're not going to have any data because we don't need data. But what we're going to do is we're going to make this, first of all, an asynchronous function because we have the DB mode in manual, or not manual. But if you provide the manual true, that pretty much disables the await. But it also disables the automatic saving. So everything will be stored in memory by default. It's kind of like Redis. But it's pretty garbage. So I don't actually recommend like using this at all. Anyways, moving on. So we do that, and then right here, socket send job. So what we're gonna do is, again, we might give us a little bit more. No, 1 second. The Node app should respond in about a second or two. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say const jobs equal await db dot get jobs. We're gonna get the jobs, and we're gonna jobs dot oh boy. Can you just pop an item in an array? I think you can, right? Okay, no, we're gonna do shift. Const job ID or job to do equals. And now, if job to do, then we're gonna first await db dot set. Jobs to jobs. Because jobs.shift, it'll remove the array from the jobs, so that way we can save it and do all the socket.admit. Now we're going to say job request, and then we might actually need to form our own thing here, but that'll be fine. So this job to do thing, we need to pass it the following. We need to pass it a job ID and a prompt, right? And if we look up here, the job ID is job ID. Wait, we might actually be able to. Oh, why is that an array? Thank God I caught that. So the job ID, we actually might just be able to push the raw job data. Yeah, that's what we're gonna end up doing. Actually no. ID prompt job to do dot prompt, and boom, done. Simple AI image generator. Make sure to change your ports so they're right, and I think that should be it. We don't have a way to respond yet, but that's okay. Let's quickly do that. That should be pretty relatively easy. And I just realized I'm not saving the way to get. Well, we're gonna just test this because it's been way too long without testing. Socket.on upload, and then it's gonna also pass us data. We're gonna also want this asynchronous. We're also gonna have to move the job to a pending job database. So await db dot push pending jobs. The job to do. And the reason why is because we still need the data from this job. So yeah. And again, it will, yeah. So now, data looks something like this. We'll have images, which is an object with one and a base 64 string. And then after that, we have a job ID with an ID. Just like this. So this is our layout that we're getting from this data variable. We're simply just gonna console.log it for now, to see if everything is working. And how to run it is you just do this, you do this, and now you first want to start up the node. It's a slight bug with my custom database manager. You don't worry. It's not a bug. It's a feature actually. My bad. No comment. No comment. Oh my god. Yeah, it's a feature. 100%. Bot instantly crashes. Watch this. Holy crap! It worked. Wow, look at that. All right. So now we do node dot. Not node. We do Python main. Um. Well, talk about an issue. Yeah. Let's see if that socket IO thing is working. I should have a socket extension. Or not. Yeah, that's fine. Oh no, here it is. Now we're gonna go here, we're gonna go here, we're gonna take you, we're gonna go here, here. Set, connect, loading, connecting. Oh, it instantly crashed. Nice. Oh, yes, because if, okay. So, here, we're just gonna simply set jobs to an array. And pending jobs. See, it's better if you do like checks. My database does have ways to check if a value doesn't exist. If a value does exist, however, I'm just lazy, and the Python script is now just stuck open. Nice. Ooh, I meant to be in packages. Now we gotta wait 20 years because Python's doing. Oh, right, Python. It has to import the diffusers, which takes like 20 minutes. That's a feature. Yeah, that's a feature. 100. Why is this here? It should be right here on the top level. Oops. Okay, well. All right, and now this should start pinging the server, being like, "Hey, do you have any jobs? Do you have any jobs?" This is called polling, but since we're using yeah, I could have honestly just used an HTTP client on this end, but I do not care. All right, Doge. This is a feature. Const is not defined. Oh, right. Oopsies. Eries.consts. Oh my god. Nice. I love to see it. Ignore the horrible taste in music my sister might have. Alright, we created the job. Let's see if it got claimed. Okay, so I think this actually hard crashed. Nice. And it won't stop. My god, it really loves hanging on to that stupid connection, doesn't it? So this is why you use polling in Python. Oh my god, dude. Why am I, oh, I'm on Node.js 20. I'm like, dude, why am I on 12? It's on 20. 12 died off like 14 years ago for those of you who haven't used Node.js in the year. Yeah, no, I don't know how that happened. Like, dude, I swear, 2021. I'm fine. I actually expected this to happen. Again, I really should just switch to polling while I can, while I have my sanity, a little bit of sanity still left. We're actually. Also, the nice thing about this is you could. Oh, it claimed it already. All right. So let's see what the issue is. it sent empty data. That's great. Why? Why? Why'd you send empty data exactly? I don't know. Submit job request. It should have data. Should have a job ID and a prompt. Oh my god. I don't know how to. Yeah, I might switch to polling. If I can't figure out in like 2 seconds, I'm switching. Yep, I'm switching. I don't know what's wrong. That was a bad idea to begin with. Trying to use Socket.io? Nope, should have started with request because that's what I know how to use. Oh my god, now we need body support. Dude, body Fraser. Because I don't know how to spell it. Yeah, I think. Now watch. No, not that. I meant to go to the terminal. I meant to do that. Now we go into our web. Now you do const body equal require body Fraser. Now you go over here and you attempt to find the example code that they provide at halfway down the page. At the bottom of the page. Nice, nice, nice. Love to see it, love to see it. And now you kind of just go. Bro. Okay, no, you use app.use. Don't just. Look, app.use. Just apply it globally across everything. Don't do this. Oh, if this isn't like limit 100 megabytes. I don't know how to put you know what? Whatever. The limit is the limit. We are gonna regret that, and I know that for a fact. Anyways, doesn't matter. So, now what we need to do is in our thing, in our polling, if we're not doing a job, we send requests.get. We're just gonna, yeah. $500, and this API point will provide us our thing. And app.get this. App dot. What's a thing? We have post, we have use. What's other functions that we can use? Is there like a push one? Because I know that's not how you're supposed to use that, but I don't really care. Alright, put. We'll do put. Q, RES.
You know, that's actually not how you're supposed to use.
Just shut up. It does not matter. It really does not matter how you use the function. Alright? Like, right? Oh, I might just use the same endpoint, but I don't know. Alright, anyways. Or, no, let's just switch it to post. Alright, request. Hold on, I'm gonna actually use this same body. Don't you love how we're, like, almost at the end of this project, and we're switching how we're posting? Isn't that just amazing? Yay. And then I think the data is just next, which we might have to actually stringify. Hope you could take a dictionary, because that's what it's called in Python. It should automatically phrase it, though. I should be fine. Request.put req equal. And now if we do req dot dat dot. Oh, my bad. Request.json. Oh my god, worker.check. Dude, I don't want to do this right now. Checking API URL. Check, make request, self, make request, get. Oh my god.
A potato flew around my room before you came.
Oh my god, dude. I do not care, dude. Alright, if good in JS. Alright, good. Great. If good in JS. Okay. So, if, I don't know. If job ID in JS, we quite are literally using the same exact thing. And we just send it that. That's correct. I spelled correct wrong. I do not know how I did that. Now, if nothing happens, then nothing happens. Honestly, for real moment. Okay, and then we switch this to a job. But this is a post actually, so we could just put it right there. Again, I don't plan to make this public, so I can expose all these API endpoints. But how you're supposed to do it, I'd set a password on the server, and then send that have a password on the... I don't know, just, you figured out. If you're a security expert, you know what the hell you're doing anyways, and you shouldn't be actually watching this video. No offense, but, you know. Yeah. Oh my god, dude. Remember to use global. Remember to use global, because if you don't do global, it won't, you won't, you won't actually be doing what you think you're doing, and you also need to do global.pipe. Why? It's because Python. Welcome. Welcome to this language where you need to do this, even though it's defined right here, right here, right here. You don't need to do this junk in JavaScript. Nope, it's just available anywhere. Yeah, I really, my veins boil. Anyways, now we just simply copy this. Right? We do async, and instead of doing socket admit, we do res.json, and that's it. No, this is it. That's it. We're done. Almost done. A potato flew around my room before you came. And then I think that might be it. Yeah, just remove socket.io. It's useless anyways. It's a stupid, silly little language anyways. Oh my god. Alright, let me try running this Python bare first, because I think it's going to instantly crash. We're going to start up the Discord bot though, because I think it might actually just kind of work. Who knows? I don't know. I actually won't have an indication if Python is working or not, so... because both of those jobs are pending. Nice. Alright. Alright, we're going to assume it's working. Okay. Did it claim the job? Nope, not yet. Is it working? Okay, something tells me it's not working. The fact that Python's frozen is a good indication. When I hit Control C, you want to know what Control C does is it force closes a program, right? The fact that you're being like, no, I'm not gonna close. Isn't this just so much fun? We're almost an hour in. Come on. You got this. Import. There we go. But it's not working, so. Yay! Something wrong with this endpoint, maybe? I won't be able to test it. Maybe we just print JS. It's not. Oh my god. Is this not? Oh my god. Yeah, whatever. We're switching this to a GET request and killing off this. Oops. Putting this. Oh my god, and it's frozen again. Alright, and then do Python main. No, wait 20 minutes because it's slow as heck. And I forgot to save it. I don't know what I forgot to save. Also, I can close that. My bad. Someone was probably screaming. Again, if you were actually to deploy this, you would want to add more protection here, especially if this is going to be a public server, public-facing server. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So this is how it happens. Is there a way to just like get the data? Request dot text. I don't think it's a function, but I think it's just a variable. Yeah, it's just property. My bad. But ugh, just loading Python is taking way too long, so that's half the reason why this is taking so long. The other half is just me wanting to convert it to Socket.io halfway through the project. Hello world. Hello world. Oh, right. I forgot to restart this. Oh, whoops. It's not responding if we don't have a job. Yeah, oh, yeah. Crash the whole script. Yeah. We could actually just send a text, but it doesn't matter. That's actually probably what the hanging was for. Alright, now if we do JSON. But we're going to quickly just test if it's actually getting the proper job information. It's getting a blank array. Okay. That's fine. What? Sending, and then it receives nothing. Oh my god, what the heck? So job ID, we don't have a prompt. Oh my god, I knew I should have checked this stupid thing. Watch, it could be something stupid, isn't it? It's gonna be like dot help or dot image, right? It's prompts. Why is prompts plural? Oh my god. It's prompt. Okay, but this should be working. If I weren't stupid, it would be. Yeah, I know. Username. New usernames, everybody. Yay! Thank you, Discord, for adding a feature that absolutely nobody wanted. Wow. Is this your first? No. No, you know what it is? It's your fucking 100th time doing this shit. Nobody asked. Nobody wants it. Nobody likes it. Nobody needs it. But do you care? No. Your Discord. Look at me, everybody. We're Discord. We're gonna add whatever we want, even if our clients don't care. Hee 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 hee. Suck, Discord. You suck. You suck so much. I hope you know that. You know what? I guarantee you they do know that. They just are like, look at how much money we're making. I hope people cancel their Nitro subscriptions to make a point. But will no one do? Will anybody do that? Nope. 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 Why? I don't know. Oh my god. String indicates must be integers. Excuse me? What do you mean? String what? Is this not a string? Or did I accidentally add another semicolon somewhere? Oh, it's because I think it's not a... No, it is an object. I don't fucking know what's going on. Here, let me restart this just in case. It has something to do with this, but I severely doubt it. Alright. There we go. And now we should have a picture of a Doge in base 64 appear in this terminal. Holy shit. Never mind. Update. Upload. How are you uploading? Default. Batch data. Holy shit. Oh my god. JSON dumps. Like, why say, oh yeah, by the way, this takes a data argument right here, if you're not going to do anything? It's just so stupid. Somebody's been like, if you don't like the language, then don't use it. I said at the beginning of the video that Python is the only good language for working with AI. Haha, look everybody, he said Python is good. Yeah, sure, that should work. By the way, there's no receiving these images yet. And plus, this is not even half. See, this is why you use the Ooga Booga thing, because you don't have to work through all this junk and have to spend 30 minutes trying to figure an hour switching from Socket.io to a normal link, polling. So, my mistake. Holy shit. Do you want to... Oh my god, dude. I legit copied and pasted the code. I copied and pasted the code, and it's not working. Bro, I know, Post, upload, data equal json.dumps, default data, headers equal headers. Huh? Alright, fine. Be that way, you dumbass. You wanna be here? Be here then. Boom. Better fix my issue. Gotta wait 20 minutes for Python's slow ass thing to import. Even though I'm importing 1/5 of the entire module with just a singular import statement. At least my GPU is pretty fast, though. Oh my god, dude, what do you mean? Ugh. I don't know what's wrong. Unhashable type list. What? What do you mean? Literally, what do you mean? This is the exact same way I'm doing it in my code. Like, legit. Batch data. Alright, let's go up here. Oh, batch data none. Oh, look, default images equal batch data. Oh my god. Images equal batch data. Okay, yippee. And then default data. Default JSON dumps default data. Alright, you wanna be a bitch? You be a bitch. To post. To post dot images equal you. Delete that. Batch. There, you happy? Remember, it'll make it a tuple if you fuck up. Now time to wait forever. Hee hee hee. Yay. What? The server. Oh my god. Is this not a valid endpoint? Oh. It's things like this. Oh. Mm. Did I type the address wrong? I typed the address wrong, didn't I? Yeah. Yeah, typed the address wrong. See, if I wasn't using IntelliJ, it would have bugged me for 20 minutes straight. Actually, you have a typo in localhost, because that's not a word. So, I probably wouldn't have seen the error either way, but whatever. Excuse me. Oh my god, now Express crash? No way. Ugh. What the hell? I should just use the API endpoint on this at this point, dude. It's so annoying. I was like, oh, I need to add a limit. Yeah, you for sure need to add a limit. Luckily, it's a simple enough fix where I don't have to restart the whole Python script. A potato flew around my room before you came. Alright, let's see. Thank God, dude. Can I upload raw base64 data? And I send a base. You know what? Whatever. You know what? It doesn't matter, right? Because what we're gonna do, right? We're just gonna actually gonna be so lazy. We're gonna put channel ID is interaction.channel.id. ID better be lowercase. It's gonna be capital. I know it's gonna be capital. Whatever. Go, 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 go. Oh my god, thank god it's lowercase. Alright. So now, when we post it, we just say... for var I in req.body.images. Why is this a... Why is that a... Why is the job ID the job ID? Python. True Python moment. True Python moment, bro. True Python moment. Python moment. Python moment. Stupid language moment. varca. It's just, I don't know how to send off freaking attachments. See, look at this. Look at this garbage. Fine. Why is the bot now undefined? What is going on? Dude, what is going on? Why? How is that working? New Eries? New Eries. Now this crashed. Fuck you. Oh my god, dude. There's nothing wrong. Oh my god, bro. Channel. Oh my god, it doesn't provide a channel ID. Oh my god. Alright, pending jobs, set, pending jobs, 2, dot. It's now an array because I don't want to mess with that. Just to make extra double sure. No. Oh my god, let then. Leave me alone. Let. Oh my god, dude. Ugh. Dude, how file. Array of objects. Alright. So content, none. File, it's going to be an array with stuff in it. Alright, now I need to do I don't know, fucking oh my god. It's not going to be in here. Yep, it's going to be in the data helper. So, we have to go all the way here. buffer from base 64 image, base 64. Here. All right. Fuck. So, fun fact, we actually do have to wrap this in that string, that way we could do dot thing. Yep, that just happened. Ugh. We're just gonna look at Discord. Because I know it'll work. Discord. Ay. I'm like, oh yeah, Discord will auto detect the file format. Did they? No. Because why would they? You know? Why would they, you know? That's just stupid. There we go. It's done, and that's only one part of the AI he made, because he made it so you can also text, and that is way too difficult. And yeah, look at that. Wow. Anyways, now that I'm done with this, I'm gonna